Surface area of a rectangular prism. The surface area or SA of a rectangular prism with length L, width W, and height H is the sum of the areas of the faces. So if we think about a rectangular prism, we could think of a dice, which is a cube, which is a specific type of rectangular prism, and we know that that cube has 6 sides. And so we have a front and back, a top and bottom, and 2 sides. And so we can say that the surface area is 2 times the length and the width of the top and bottom, plus 2 times the length and the height for the front and back, and then 2 times the height and the width for the 2 sides. So if we add all those together, the sum, we'll get our surface area. So if I draw this, an easy way to do that is to first draw my face. This is one method. And then go ahead and extend that back at each corner the same distance. So I'm going to go back this far, which means at this corner I'm going to go back that far. Make that dotted. Same with this one. And then the same with this one. And then I can connect all those corners. Now I can see the top of my box. I can see the inside. I can see the back corner. And so we have a length, a width, which is going back, and a height, which is the height of the box. An easy way to find the dimensions of this is to take its net, which means to open it up and find its area flattened out. And so I can line this up and create my net. So I finished drawing my net, and so here's the bottom of the prism and the top. Here's the 2 sides, and here's the front and the back. So let's look at an example. Find the surface area of the rectangular prism. So I have a height of 2 meters, a length of 4 meters, and a width of 3 meters. And so I set up my formula. Surface area is equal to 2 times the length and the width, plus 2 times the length and the height, plus 2 times the height and the width. And so I can plug in the numbers. 2 times 4 times W, which is 3, plus 2 times the length, which is 4, times the height, which is 2, and then 2 times the height, which is 2, and the width, which is 3. And then I can simplify. This is 16 plus 24. Sorry, I take that back. That's 24, rather, sorry. 16 and 12. And so when I add all that together, I get 52 meters squared. And it's squared because it's only the surface area, not the volume. Also notice, real quick, that each letter is used twice. So I use L and L, I've used W and W, and I've used H and H. Just another little pattern that I've noticed in my surface area formula here.